to go on a concert. Hi everybody, this is me Riley and welcome to Tenny and Me. This week I'm a doctor and here are my new doctor set.
Oh, doctor.
And I'm gonna show you my squishy. Now where is it?
Your squishy? Does the doctor play with squishy?
Yes, when they're bored.
Okay. Is it over there beside you? It's just beside you.
Here's my squishy.
Did you make that yourself?
Yes.
Is it really squishy? Let me try.
Yes.
Ooh, it's squishy.
I put paper in it so it's squishy.
All right then. Who's your patient today, Dr. Riley?
It's Bluey. And she has to go to a concert. So I cut all the foam off and the stuff. And mommy holding the camera is a shopkeeper.
I am a shopkeeper and I sell all of these automobiles. And that's my phone. And Batman already bought a trolley. It's a bat trolley.
And also, the unicorn up there is my pet.
Yeah, this is your pet. He's a very nice pet with a tiara. Okay. All right, Dr. Riley, do your job.
Bye.
Bye.
Everybody. I hope you enjoyed the Tenny and Me show, and then hope you are a doctor too.
Bye.
And also,
Huh?
I'm gonna tell you a special thing that happened. Me and my friends went on the same time driving. Celine went first, I went second, Alana went third. And tomorrow I'm gonna go to Tita Kit, and tomorrow Friday I'm going to Alana's house.
No, it's Saturday. Friday, you're still gonna go see Celine and Alana at the camp again.
After camp?
After camp, you play again here at home. Oh, you have your mat tomorrow on Friday. Come on. Okay, say bye-bye na to your viewers.
Bye.